Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, we definitely did get a nice push up, and we did get a break of structure, even though it spiked. I would consider that a break of structure. Now, we really need to keep in mind that the higher time frames are very, 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 very bearish. There's no reason whatsoever to think that this is going up in any significant way whatsoever. There's a good chance that this move up will likely just be another crescent to this last wave down. We got our Fibonacci retracement on the last 5 waves down, which it definitely is 5 waves for sure. Now I would expect to see probably some sort of an ABC or some sort of another Elliot wave corrector pattern, like an ABC, WXY, or something like that, probably up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, and then very likely another pattern to the downside for the continuation of the downtrend. The higher time frames are definitely very, very bearish. So we need to assume that any move we see to the upside is likely just a correction to the downtrend. Hopefully it plays out as some nice ABC pullback, but definitely keep an eye out for shorts either way. It really could end up continuing the downtrend at any point. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.